All right, here is number 5. Let's take a look. So you're supposed to give the total surface area, or how much area you would need for this canvas tarp, and you're wanting to use the Pythagorean theorem, but you don't need to. So let me show you what's going on here. So first we have 6 feet right here, and this is going to be a 6 here, this will be a 6, 6, and we have a 14 here. So I better get my calculator ready. So I have a couple I already know. You know, the 14 times 6, so that's going to make this an 84, and this is an 84. Now, up here, where we have 2 halves of a circle, with the radius of 6. So I know that that's going to be pi times 6 squared to be 36, and we're going to have to divide that in 2 since it's a half circle. So if I do that, I have my 36 times pi, and that's divided by 2. And so this up here, this half circle, is going to be 56.5. Alright, so I have a 56.5 and I have a couple 84s. Oh, and I forgot to do another 14 by 6. This would be another 84 down here, so I have another 84 down here. That was nice then to make that all the same. So then the big question that you had was about that triangle in the middle. Now, we're looking at the area of that triangle. We do not need to know the length of this, because we have the base, we have the height, and triangle base times height divided by 2, 14 times 20 divided by 2, 14 times 10, that should be 140. So now if I take all of my circled numbers together, I have 56.5 and 84 and 84 and 84, and so I got my 84s and my 140. So it looks like my number right now is 448.5, and that's feet squared. See if that seems reasonable. 84, 84, 84, that's about 240 to 300, 440. Yeah, it should be about right. So you shouldn't need the Pythagorean theorem on this, because you don't need to know that distance unless you think there's something different there, but that's what I'm seeing. So send me an email back if you have a question.